In this video, we're going to talk about Praxis test prep. Here's an overview of the topics we'll cover: evaluating how you're likely to perform, free test prep options, Praxis prep classes, one-on-one Praxis tutoring, and on-demand online Praxis prep. So first thing you want to do is evaluate how you're likely to perform on the exam. So start by taking a free full-length Praxis practice test at teacherstestprep.com/Praxis practice tests. By the way, all the links that appear in this video are also listed for you directly beneath this video, so you don't have to worry about writing them down. After you submit your free Praxis practice test on the Teachers Test Prep website, you can view your overall likelihood of passing the exam. You can view each of your answer choices along with the correct answer, and you can view a free basic diagnostic breakdown that shows you how you did within each domain of the exam, and that'll help you focus your study on the areas that will benefit you the most. All of that is provided completely free of charge. You just create a free account on the Teachers Test Prep website. There's also an additional paid service that you may want to use if your particular Praxis exam includes a written response or constructed response portion. You can purchase written response grading and feedback, where a live professional grader will score your exam using the same exact rubric that's used on the real Praxis, and will also give you detailed notes, written feedback about what you did well and how specifically you can improve to help ensure success on the real exam. So that can be a valuable service. Some free test prep options if you find you do need additional help after you do your evaluation. If you decide to prep on your own, our free Praxis overview study guides can serve as a great resource, and there's a link there that of how to reach those. As you can see from the image here, they basically give you a concise bullet-pointed listing of all the key topics that will appear on your particular Praxis exam, so that you can ensure that you're studying the right material right from the start and focus your study on those particular areas that you're going to encounter on the real exam. The tags, or test at a glance documents that are available on the ETS website, are also a helpful free resource that you can use. Some paid prep options that are offered by Teachers Test Prep. First of all, Praxis prep classes. They allow you to get help from a live expert instructor. And most of our Praxis prep classes are offered online, so you can take them from home, but you're still interacting with a live instructor and live students who are in the class with you. So you can learn from your fellow classmates, you can ask questions when you need clarification, and you can learn all the key subject matter that you need to pass in a fast-paced, concise format, and that's a really valuable feature. If you decide you need help in a specific area, sometimes one-on-one tutoring is a good option to consider. It allows you to get help tailored to your individual needs, and you can target your unique strengths and weaknesses, learn at your own pace, get personal attention, and you can schedule sessions around your schedule. If you live in certain cities, you may be able to take in-person tutoring sessions, but if you don't happen to live in one of those cities where that service is offered, no problem. You can do the same thing using our live online tutoring interface, and an illustration of that is shown at the right of the slide. Basically, it includes video, so you can talk with your instructor and see your instructor, audio, of course, to speak with them. The instructor can show you slides, and there's even a virtual whiteboard that you can both write on using your computer mouse so that you can work through problems together or illustrate concepts, etc. Basically, you can do all the same things that you would do if you were sitting there in person with them. You can just do it over the computer from the comfort of home. Lastly, on-demand online prep. It provides the same great instruction you get in our live classes, but at your pace and from home. Advantages include you can access videos and other features as often as you like. So if you want to rewatch videos on certain topics that maybe are a little more challenging, you can watch those videos as many times as you want until you're comfortable with that subject matter. And you can study whenever you want and wherever you want. So you've got 24/7 access to the content. And it's covering the same content you get in the live classes. There's core videos that teach the underlying subject matter, what's called Smart STEM virtual tutoring videos in which an instructor will basically explain to you how to apply that knowledge to the specific types of questions you're likely to see on the real Praxis exam, and advanced diagnostics that drill even deeper into your individual performance on the Praxis practice test, such that you can really see which specific areas you want to focus on, which videos you might need to rewatch, etc. So it really guides you through that whole process and makes sure that your study time is being used in the most efficient way possible. So on-demand online prep is also a great option. And for those who want to use that option but also want the help of a live one-on-one tutor, we offer a program called the Golden Apple Online Program that includes all the online prep on-demand features, but also includes live one-on-one tutoring sessions at a discount. And you can then schedule those sessions whenever you want to get one-on-one help on any areas that you might still have questions about. So there's a number of options depending on whether you want to learn in a group, you want to learn one-on-one, you want to learn from an on-demand program that you can access anytime you want, or you want to have a combination of those things. So we hope this overview of the various Praxis test prep options has been helpful to you.